welcome back. It's Matthew. Time is now 3:25 p.m. on the 25th of February 2017. And also here the weather today is very windy and very dark again. As I said before, 3 p.m. gets too dark. Gets some dark shadows to the west. And we're going to look on the webcams, some webcams around the world. Start with some Mexico cams and also skyline cams. See what we can find. It's a very interesting time. We're picking up a lot of images now, aren't we? I also did a video on UFOs last night. I often do some UFO footage as well, just to see what's going on as well, because it interests me as well, because I believe these beings up there basically know any resistance out there now. They can see it and they send us signs and crop circles. And also I believe that HARP is manipulating our weather as well as the clouds to cover up the system. You all know they use this tool and governments still deny it. Anyway, then I go to the first webcam image. Respect to you all and thank you for subscribing. Here on this Mexico cam, you can see this object here, this red object. Can you see the redness around it? This is no lens flare, this is an object that's coming in. Now I'll be keeping an eye on this every day, so I'm going to zoom in now. The reason why I've kept it like this, so you can see the timestamp as today. So I'm going to zoom in now and show you this object. You can see this currently is very strange, and basically it's now, it was white before, but now it's got some red reflection to it. It's got some red colour in it. This is definitely a heavenly body that's up there, behind or in front of the sun, I'm not too sure. It's there above our Earth's atmosphere, could be miles, thousands of miles away, billions of miles away. So now in the solar system, you can see this currently. Now it's a situation where we just got to keep searching and looking at the different shapes and different objects up there. Now we're seeing some huge different objects, planet-sized objects. And we're also seeing some other objects as well that are small, red colour in them. So yeah, we've got some interesting times ahead of us. We're going to see some huge objects. They're chemtrails to hide this. But as you can see on this chemtrail today, I'm going to go to another image now. Here on this sky alert cam as well, the volcano cam in Mexico, show the timestamp as well, 25th today, and also this strange object here. Don't know what it is. Don't know if it's a bird. It seems upside down. I mean, some wings or anything like that. It's just there, isn't it? I'm going to go and zoom into this now. Maybe it's a helicopter, I'm not too sure. Thing is, does look strange, doesn't it? It looks a lot different from any other object I remember. Anyway, so it's just, I could be getting it right, could be getting it wrong, not too sure, but it's just being persistent and see what we can catch. I'm going to go to another image. Just noticed a huge reflection on this footage on this Mexico cam as well. Just here, on the left hand side. I'm going to go and go to another image in a second as well. I've zoomed into this object now. Just here where this reflection is, you can see this dark reflection, can't you? I mean, look at this. Here's where the sun is coming up with this object. Okay? Now, the thing is, basically, this object will be here somewhere. Because we're getting a reflection from it on the left hand side. Strange times ahead. So I hope we really all prepare for this, because it's very important to get the messages out there. I also believe as well that these volcanoes are going to be active very shortly. At night time, you can see the plasma, the lava coming off some of these huge super volcanoes. They're just, they've been remain dormant for many years now. And also, as I said as well, Venus has volcanoes and other planets around the world and also through the universe. They have huge volcanoes on these planetary objects, these celestial bodies. So I'm going to keep an eye on the volcanoes as well. It's just basically some nights I noticed that they erupt slightly. They're being agitated because we've got a huge magnetic force now from the Nibiru system. It's agitating our planet Earth, and it's just a case of just monitoring the different cams and images as well. So I'm going to go to another image now. Just want to show you this, okay, on this sky alert image. Okay. Now, this object I'm seeing up there in the sky. Watch this, what this volcano does. Okay. Now, the clouding that comes out of the volcano is very strange. It sort of bends and then goes, acts like a chemtrail. Look at this, watch this. Disappears that object, yeah? Okay? Look how fast it goes. Disappears. It's only in 1 millimeter of frame. Okay? Now if it was a bird, we would see it in a few frames, wouldn't we? On a plane or anything else. Now watch. After this object is off the volcano, watch this. You get this huge cloud comes out of the volcano. Okay? You see this? And then it sort of acts strange. Goes into a strange shape. Can you see this? And basically flattens out and acts like a cam. Can you see this? And moves down on the horizon. Very strange, isn't it? Could be just natural, but the thing is though, I've monitored the volcanoes for a long time. I've not noticed this situation before. Can you see this? Very strange, isn't it? I'm going to go to another image now. Just very, very strange. I'm going to come back to you in a second. Here on this Mexico cam as well, you see the timestamp, 25th. There's another object there on the right hand side, or here, just here. This is not our moon. The moon comes down on the opposite side. Sun is on this side, coming up. There's an object here as well. I'm going to zoom in on this as well. Here it is. It's zoomed in. Could be anything. It is so strange up there in the skies. Just catching anything really, what we can see. That does look like something that's out there in the solar system now. I'm going to go to another image. Can you see this as well? It's quite dark there. You can see the two objects beside each other just here. See, I believe that there's these craft that basically come down, monitor us, and they're basically, I don't know if they're helping with the chemtrails, I don't know. The thing is, I'm catching lots of different things up there in the skies, you know? And it's for you, the subscribers, to see what's going on as well. It's just important that we all get to see and catch every little detail of what's going on. I just want to show you how this moves. Now, the thing is, you can tell this isn't our moon, because the way it just morphs out of position, can you see this? Disappears. Now, the moon basically will move, okay, down the downwards or upwards side. I mean, look at this. Just goes off. I'm going to now widen the screen so you can catch a glimpse of this. Okay, now what I've done is I've widened the screen so we can see. Okay, I apologise about the white screen there. You can see this is not our moon, because the moon doesn't basically, it goes downwards, doesn't it? You get 2 or 3 shots then on the Mexico cows. Can you see this? It could be a UFO. The thing is, I mean, can you see that? Goes away, doesn't it? But here's another image now. Here's a live video of Mexico as well. It's a live video. I know the timestamp on the top right hand corner is quite small, but if you look carefully, you'll see that it's today. And also we're looking at this in the sky, this object here. So I'm going to zoom in on it, see what we can see, because basically it seems to be moving slightly. I'm going to zoom in for you now. Here it is zoomed in. The only thing is on the Mexico account you can't zoom right in. The thing is though, you get a closer shot of everything. But it's moving, this thing, this object. Anyway, this time of the year as well, when summer's coming, you know, like March, April, May, it's very good times to look up at the skies as well on clear nights. Because you do catch a lot of things up there. It's just been observant, persistent, as I said before. Spending a good few hours looking at the stars. Because the thing is, we will see. I do see in the past as well, see summertime months as well. Many things up there. You just got to ask yourself what is going on, because I believe the government hide lots of truth. You can see this object just moving, it's illuminating the skies, way up there. Is it behind the sun or in front now? I'm not too sure. It's very interesting to see this. Now what I'll do is I'll go back to this camera and keep this image as well. I'm going to also do a video tonight on the sun as well. Soho charts and the jet stream to see what's going on and the differences. But we are having some crazy times, aren't we? I'm going to go to some UK camps now to see what's going on here in the UK. So I'm going to be back shortly. That object is definitely moving up there in the sky. I've got a monitor to the right side of me now, and I'm going to keep this on live so I can see this through the day to see and zoom in and see if this object actually it's got a cloud of dust behind it, or comets, or trash that's being pulled with it. Because we could be looking at Nibiru right now. It could be another heavenly body. I don't believe it Venus that time of the day. But as I said, it's just looking to see what's up there, you know? It's just amazing because I've seen objects that just don't belong in that part of the sky. So anyway, I'm going to go to some UK cams now, see what we can find. This is a live view cam, okay? Timestamp, that's Computing Stratton Town Council cam. We're just getting misty skies everywhere. We've been getting these for quite some time now. So I've not been able to go out past week or so, basically looking up at the sky at night and noticing that it's just very dull and misty here in the UK in the northern hemisphere. So I will be going out as soon as the times are clearing and the days are clearing up and we've got some clear skies to see those stars. Best time to catch them stars as well is at 2 AM in the morning. Here in the northern hemisphere, we get bright stars. On the east side, very important to look at that. So when it's clearing up, I'll get some footage down for you and see what we can see. Anyway, I'm going to go to a different image now. It's very cold down there in Cornwall, as well as all over the UK. We've got some real bad weather. Here on this live cam at Bristol Beach in Cornwall as well. It's very stormy, isn't it? Very cloudy and grey. Respect to Mum is also respect to Dad. Other people live down in Cornwall. It's a good place for windsurf as well down some holidays. And we'll go to another camp now. Respect to everyone. This is Crabbe's Bay, also in Cornwall as well. Timestamp is 4:21, 35, 36 seconds. You can see also here on the cam, you can see this haze, can't you, from the cam. And also, it's very dark as well, very, very dim. There's some strange clouds, strange fog, and strange darkness. So we'll go to another cam now. Down there on the southwest of the UK is very strange. Here on this cam as well is the Land's End cam. John Moore, respected researcher, basically Liberty Man, basis by his channels, radio channels, very important to listen to him as well. He's a very kind man. Always switch on and listen to his show every morning. And also, you can see here, it's foggy, got a lot of fog as well, so the temperature's dropped as well there in Cornwall. So, he's told to keep an eye on the cab, it's very important that we do keep an eye on this Land's End cab, because there's huge pockets of water that's down there. It's going to cause a lot of problems to get ocean. So limited to another. This is an image that was brought in. I mean, look at that. It's very strange. You've got those can clouds. Wow. These trails and cans. And also, the sun is on the opposite side. See the illumination, and also look at this. Very strange. Rainbow effects up in the sky. Just unbelievable, isn't it? What's going on out there? People catching these images. So respect to you, thank you for showing this image. I'm going to go to another image now. Just mind blowing, isn't it? What we're seeing now, all these strange things in the sky. Is it to do with how? Because they're messing with our natural atmosphere, aren't they? With these generated tools that they've built over the years. I believe they have to turn these things off because it's affecting our natural resources. Here's another strange image as well. You look at this plasma that's going up in the sky. What is going on? thing is, we're seeing all these different shapes and also these different sort of like patterns in the sky. I mean, this is not natural to us, is it? The plasma, this is coming from Nibiru. I mean, is this cloaking, a huge cloaking device has been put up there? Lasers? I just don't know what's going on. The thing is, it's just outstanding, these images, aren't they? Crazy situations. Here again, we've got strikes here, 408 strikes over Europe and the UK as well. Last strike was in 20 minutes ago. And I mean, the thing is that I look at these charts as well and I basically see that we're getting more strikes. This is daily, it's all happening above those foggy clouds we get, those chemtrails as well, and huge strikes. So it's our weather has been agitated by an incoming system every single day. Let me go to another chart now. It also is we're getting huge stormy waves here in the UK as well. Look at the size of this wave. This is happening every day now, where it's getting more erratic every single time I look at these photos and charts and also the images and the cams. This cam is just saying basically it's too rough now here in the UK. Over there in Beauty as well, I mean, look how stormy it is. It's just getting worse, and these waves are getting stronger as well. So, very, very stormy today. Here also on this ferry cam, you can see where the sea level is rising. Look down here. Now before, about a month ago, it wouldn't be this high, it's lower, slightly lower than this. All down across here, we're getting high levels. It's going to get to the point that year or so, maybe a couple of months, I'm not too sure. The shore's going to be floating over, and all this is going to be underwater. And look at it, right across. Very high levels of water now. Better keep an eye on these levels as well for you. Very strange. I'm going to go to another cam now. But these have never been as high these days. This is a live surf line cam. This is in Devon. You can see here as well, it's very stormy. dark and dim as well. Basically, these low, foggy clouds. So I'm going to go to another image now. You can see how rough it is all over there. The planet read. I've also got reports as well, emails. Other people in Canada that are saying that their weather is abrupt and very strange as well. I apologise about the rain on this cam. You can see the droplets on the screen, but you can see behind them these waves are very erratic, aren't they? And all of a sudden, what I said earlier on as well, especially last night on the tsunami waves on these, one of these can actually come in at any point in time. As you're all at home, just keep it safe and warm. One of these could come in because there's so much trash up there in the solar system now that's coming past our Earth's atmosphere. And it takes one of them to get through the keyhole and land in the sea or the oceans. Cause a huge problem. I'm going to go to a different image. This is a cam in Maplethorpe as well. It's dark everywhere, isn't it, in the UK, and it's very misty. So I'm going to go and check out some NASA Ustream cams and see what we can see up there. And on the other side of the cloud and the chemtrails. Here is the sun on the NASA cam. Okay? Now, look at the same situation out in space as what we see on this halo. You see this huge halo around our sun and simulate every object. Now this is a reflection from a heavenly body. I studied it as well. I looked at this. Now we're not seeing that red haze on the International Space Station. I believe it's not manned for it. And also, I'm going to keep an eye on this halo because it's getting bigger each time, isn't it? But it goes to another NASA Ustream cam. I've zoomed in to this Ustream cam. Okay, I'm seeing an object here. Okay, and we've also got this halo. So it proves that the halo's out in space, isn't it? I mean, the thing is here as well. It's an object that is causing the sun to change its shape. We are just going to keep an eye on this. But it is important that we keep an eye on what's going on up there. Of the clouds. So I'm going to go to another webcam now. I've been watching and studying the NASA cams this afternoon. And I noticed this as well, this object. Can you see this? It's illuminating in the middle of the cam there. This is out in space, this object. Now, last night I spent 2 hours looking at the Ustream, NASA Ustream cam as well. And I noticed other strange objects. The thing is, you only are able to catch them at a glimpse and then they're gone. Despite the images in the video on Mexico cams of the volcano, they just flash at one point and disappear. Very strange looking objects. So I'm just going to record Ustream and see what we can pick up. Tonight it's just important to try and get every sort of visual effect of what's going on out there. Because these celestial bodies are here now. And also, there's been a lot of trash and meteor asteroids that have been knocked out of the Kuiper belt. And they are entering in the solar system, passing our Earth every day, every single day. I also believe that when they chemtrail heavily, they're hiding these heavenly bodies out there, huge asteroids, to stop mass panic, because they are big, and as I said, land in the sea and the oceans, on the land. One huge one hits the ocean, that's going to be some huge waves coming our way. I'm going to go to another image now. Look on this cam as well, it's very interesting. We've got this 2 reflections. We've got a reflection here and another blue reflection. So there's a blue body that's up there as well. There's a red body as well. In the skies, 2 different reflections on this cam in Italy. So the Italians would be seeing this now in the skies. Very dark as well. For 11 AM in the sky, come on, far too dark. I'm going to go to a different cam image now. This is another skyline cam. This is over in Greece. Things the sun is in a completely different area. This isn't the moon, is it? What is this? It's coming through those thick dark cams. very strange. Noticing this now is just basically a huge object that's burned through their cans. The thing is, it could be the sun, but the thing is, it's too dark. It's very, very dark, isn't it? So it's just basically, I'm going to keep an eye on this cam every day to see what it is. Hopefully there's big clouds will shift because the sun should be a lot higher than this on the other side now. So I'm going to go to another image now that's very strange. Well, this cam as well. The other side of the world, we're getting these strange reflections in the skies, bright and then dimmer, dark and then bright again. And I could just see those cams on the horizon here. You can see the reflections coming through on this cam. It's just basically doing the daily channel videos so we can see what's going on every day. So it's important to pick up things, what's going on in strange times. Here's the last image now. So I'm going to come back to you later on this evening with some sun charts and see what's going on up there on the Soho imagery cams, the charts, and also basically you can see those cams coming in the skies. The sun's gone down with that simulator. Fantastic, spectacular sky we have here on this image. Just basically the incoming systems on display, isn't it? These heavenly bodies. As I said before, they're basically other people around the world are not going to see the system because Earth's rotation, and as it's going through its orbit, other skies are going to change and they're going to get to it as well. Mexico cams, we're seeing other cams around the world. Russia, basically, Russia's not seeing it right now. Only when Earth rotates to their skies and we get to see it. They get to see it. So when they can travel, it's best to look up at the skies because that is the time when they are hiding these heavenly bodies. Anyway, so respect for everybody. Have a safe day and weekend from that watches